and this is my second time recording this part, and I'm pretty sure I said some better stuff in the last take. What up everybody, welcome back again to another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about 3 tips. There's plenty of them, but these are my 3 tips on how to become a better YouTuber, so stick around. Alright guys, so first tip is going to be just be yourself. I mean, why would you not be yourself? I know it sounds like it's a common sense thing, but a lot of people speak from experience too, because we're still, Kevin Marcel, we're still on the rise to get to where we want to get to. Yeah, speaking from experience, I'll be watching YouTubers and I'll be like, oh well, this is working for them. Look how many subscribers they have. Look how many followers they have. Look at the influence they have on people. Who doesn't want to be like these guys? I'm actually looking at them right now. So I mean, be yourself. That right audience will come to the people that they vibe with the most. Yep. Tip number 2 is to don't just upload any video. Don't just upload something because it's trending. You go to YouTube and you're looking at the trending tab. You see all these videos of stuff that you're not even into, but you're going to try to make a video on it because you want to get views and you want to get people to notice you. But once again, speak from experience, that doesn't work. What that's going to do is going to bury your video more often than not. 9 times out of 10, it'll bury your video under all the other people that did it that's higher up in the ranks than you. I'm not here to talk bad about if you want to do something that's on a trending thing. I mean, hey, everybody can do what they want to do, but if you want to stand out on YouTube, I'll suggest you not do that. I'll suggest you look up stuff that you're into, make a video about it, because chances are you're not the only person that likes that. When you find other people that like what you like, they'll come to your videos and it'll have that snowball effect to where people are watching more of your videos because of not that you posted a trendy thing, but because you have that collective interest, if you know what I'm trying to say. Tip number 3, eat a good breakfast. Get your vitamins you need. No, I'm joking with you. Get your vitamins in. Alright, no, seriously though, tip number 3 guys. Try and upload as consistent as you can. That doesn't mean you have to upload every day. It's something that you know you're gonna do. They see that you're active, they see you post things, whatever, however so often you do, that they know. You wanna make it obvious and make it straightforward and clear when you upload, what days. You can even get specific on what times. Because the ultimate thing about YouTube is consistency. It's kinda consistency. Because if you notice, there'll be some channels with 10 subscribers, but they dropped one video that got like 3 million views because it went viral. Now just because that video got 3 million views has nothing to do with how many subscribers that person has or will have. You wanna get subscribers, not just views. So with that, smash that like button, subscribe, smash that subscribe button too. Put in the comments other things that you think will help people. So when people read the comments, they'll be helped too. Give me tips that I could do to be better, because we're all trying to get better here. And watch these other videos that we have. I'm sure you'll like them. Alright guys, see y'all next time. Peace.